Daisy Mae has really become the boss of the family, sitting on the couch with the remote control, watching television. She usually puts it on Animal Planet. What are you doing, girl? She loves it on the couch. This is where she relaxes. Look how fat her belly's getting.
Big belly. Big belly.
Okay. Daisy. Hey, girl. Hi. Hi. Why you look so grumpy? Why you look so grumpy? Where you going? Say hello.